Welcome to the online class of class 10. So today we will start with the chapter coordinate geometry. So coordinate geometry. What do we mean by coordinate? Coordinate means simply position with respect to some reference point. In coordinate geometry we take reference point as the origin. This origin is taken as the reference point. Suppose this is the point P of 2, 3. Suppose this is a point. That means from here it has got 2 units. From here it has gone 3 units. So this is the basic of coordinate geometry. So already you have got the basics about the coordinate geometry in lower classes, that is class 9, 8 and so on. So today we will go directly to the chapter. That is chapter number 7. We will start with distance formula. So today we will start with distance formula. Suppose we take 2 points A and B. Suppose the coordinate of A is x1, y1. The coordinate of B is x2, y2. Now here we have to find out the distance between A and B. It may be like this straight line, or it may be like this also. Here A, here B, does not matter. It should be a straight line. So the distance AB, the distance is represented by AB, is given by x coordinate minus this x coordinate minus this x coordinate, and you put whole square. This, now next, this y coordinate minus this y coordinate, and you put whole square. So this is the distance formula, or you can write anything. First of all, we have substituted from this one to this one. Now we will take from this one to this one. Same anyone. Or this coordinate, this x coordinate minus this x coordinate, whole square. This y coordinate minus this y coordinate, whole square. So this is the distance formula. Now you always remember this thing, that a minus b whole square and b minus a whole square are always equal. Okay, a minus b whole square and b minus a whole square is always equal. So x1 minus x2 whole square or x2 minus x1 whole square does not matter. So this is the distance formula. So you have to remember this one. No need to remember, just to remember the thing that x coordinate minus x coordinate whole square plus y coordinate minus y coordinate whole square. No need to remember the formula. Now distance of a point from the origin. Distance of a point from the origin. Suppose this is the Cartesian coordinate system xo, x dash, yo, y dash. Now we take one point P of suppose x, y. Anywhere here, it doesn't matter. And we draw a joint O and P. Now coordinate of O is 0, 0. So the distance is given by OP. The distance of a point from the origin is. Now how to find out? X coordinate minus x coordinate. So here 0 is the x coordinate. Here this one is x coordinate. So x coordinate minus x coordinate whole square. Y coordinate minus y coordinate whole square. Y coordinate minus y coordinate whole square. So it will be x square plus y square. So distance of a point from the origin is given by square root of x square plus y square. Now we will discuss about the collinear points. Three points. Collinear points means those points which lie on the same straight line. Suppose this is a line, and here suppose this point lies on the line A, B, C, D. Then we say A, B, C and D are collinear points. If 3 or more points, 3, 2, 4, any number, if they lie on the same straight line, then we say they are collinear points. 2 point, 3 point, 4 point, 5 point, any number of points, if they lie on the same straight line, we say they are collinear points. Collinear points means they should lie on the same straight line. They lie on the same straight line. Now, suppose this is the line. We take 3 points A, B, C. A, B, C are collinear. If, this one you remember, if AB, this distance plus this distance plus BC should be equal to this AC distance. This distance plus this distance should be equal to this distance. This distance plus this distance should be equal to this one distance. Okay. Distance between A and B, you find out distance between B and C, then you add AB plus BC. Then if it is equal to AC, then we say A, B and C are collinear points. So hope you have understood this one well. So thank you.